icon babes, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Anna and I am the owner of AnnaVatari.com, which is an online clothing boutique for my icon ladies out here. If you want to check me out, every little changes you make, try it on to see how it fit. Don't assume it's going to fit right, only because we freehanded a lot of these and we didn't have an actual pattern. So as you can see, the side part is open. I'm going to measure my waist, and this is where the waistband is going to come in. Measure your waist. After you measure your waist, add about 2 to 3 inches to that, and then fold your fabric in half, and then measure that out on top of your fabric and cut it out. And the width of that could be any width you want it. It just depends on how wide you want your waistband to be. I wanted mine to be 3 inches, I believe, so I just cut 3 inches of the width. And the length will be the measurements of your waist plus an additional 2 to 3 inches. So now I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to use a pin to indicate where that half is, and that half is going to be at the half of the body. So since my zipper is on my thighs, the half will be on the other thighs. That's where the half should match. You get it? So if your zipper was in the front, your half will be at the back. it. It doesn't even matter which direction, which way, because this is a free part. Just go at it. This part is tedious too, let me tell y'all. It took some time, but it's very tedious. But after it's done, this is how it looks like. So sorry guys, I did not have the time to record the video of me in the pants, but this is a picture of how it looks like. Also, if you'd like to see how I made that bag, I have a video and I'll leave the link down for you guys to watch that bag as well. It was a matching set. But thank you guys. Thank you again for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.